4Life, we have many promotions, limited time offers, product specials, and much more. So how can you stay informed about them all? Hi, I'm Dana Fortune, 4Life's Director of Digital Marketing, and today I'll cover all the ways to stay connected with 4Life and your 4Life business. So let's get started. Let's talk about the 4Life app. You can think of it as your business in your hands. This app allows you to manage your business, shop for products, view reports, and sign people up. When you first open your app, you'll notice we have dashboard ads at the top. These ads range from product specials to business promotions. And these ads are always changing with important information that helps keep you up to date. Underneath the ads, you'll notice 4 icons. These icons represent reports, shopping online, signing someone up, and notifications. If you click on the menu icon in the upper right-hand corner, you'll notice all the great features the 4Life app has to offer. I will only touch on 2 important features today that help you stay connected. You have a shortcut to your My Shop account settings and favorites. My Shop allows you to share your discount and earn My Shop rewards in the process. But let's talk about reports. We've broken down reports into digestible timeframes, ranging from daily, weekly, and monthly. These reports help you stay in the know with your business, your team, and your orders. Now, My Shop and reports are a great way for you to stay connected with your team, but let's talk about how to get plugged in to corporate announcements via the 4Life app. If you open your personal information section at the bottom of the menu, you will find notifications. Here, you can toggle on your push notifications. These push notifications inform you about limited time offers, ask you for customer feedback, and more. You do not want to miss out on push notifications. Now, that was all you need to know to stay in the know with the 4Life app, but let's talk about the Connect app, your library for all corporate approved content. 4Life Connect also keeps you informed about important announcements and promotions through its display banners. 4Life Connect allows you to share videos, product PDFs, business builder videos, and a new section called It's in the Product that teaches you all about specific ingredients in 4Life products and what they do. When you open your share sheet, you can email a video to your customer, draft your own message, and it's on its way. You can text it, post it on your social media platforms, and send it via WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. Oh, and the best part? It's connected to your My Shop, so that when a customer is wowed by the awesome content that you send them, they can purchase directly from you. That was the 4Life Connect app, but now let's talk about corporate social media. Go like and follow 4Life on Facebook. We have pages in almost every market, including the Philippines, India, Australia, New Zealand, and of course, the US. But are you an affiliate and want to find out information before anyone else? Well, then you need to join our affiliate Facebook groups. These groups are updated every day with important information you need for your business and to stay informed. But why stop there, friends? Go follow 4Life on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube while you're at it. But are you not from the US and want to connect with 4Life social media from your market? Well, we've got you covered. All you have to do is go to 4life.com, click on your country, scroll down to the footer, and you'll see the social media icons that will link you directly to your country-specific platforms. Our corporate social media platforms are a great way for you to see the latest posts about 4Life products. Another great way to stay informed to 4Life is through email. Let me show you how to sign up for email. Log into your back office with your 4Life ID and password, click on Account Management, go to Communications, then toggle Marketing Emails on so that you can receive emails about monthly specials, promotions, LTOs, and more. Here at 4Life, we have a lot going on at all times. Always stay connected with us so that we can stay connected with you.